Did my best, still fell down, left the room without a crown. Spilled my coffee, missed my train, lost my words in window rain, but I smiled at what I knew. Every day a chance or two. It's okay to not be right. Stars still shine without the fire. Try again tomorrow, it's alright. You don't need to win tonight. Let it go and let it be. There's more time for you and me. Tried to sing, but cracked my voice. Didn't really have a choice, but I laughed and stood up tall. Failure's part of giving all. Try again tomorrow, it's alright. You don't need to win tonight. Let it go and let it be. There's more time for you and me. Try again when dawn is near. Another day will find you here. Try again tomorrow, it's alright. You don't need to win tonight. Let it go and let it be. There's more time for you and me. Just a second, but it stays. Golden minute in the haze. Bus stop sun across my face. One deep breath, I slow the pace. Didn't plan it, didn't try. Still it came and passed me by. Moments come and moments go, but steam and flowers bloom. If you blink, it slips away, but I caught it here today. Golden minutes, soft and small, but it's the best one of them all.
They gave me boxes, gave me rules, but I broke them back in school. Color and beyond the page, never cared to play the cage. Life's not neat and that's just fine. I draw stars outside the line.
It's the mess that makes me glow. Imperfection helps me grow.
Color outside the lines, be bold. Paint your story bright and gold. Every mark you leave is true. No one else can shade like you. Oh. Color outside the lines, be bold. Paint your story bright and gold. Every mark you leave is true. No one else can shade like you.
I don't fit and that's okay. Found my voice along the way. With each stroke I redefine. Beauty isn't just a line.
Crayon skies and skies unseen. I live somewhere in between. Color outside the lines, be bold. Paint your story bright and gold. Every mark you leave is true. No one else can shade like you. Whoa. Color outside the lines, be bold. Paint your story bright and gold. Every mark you leave is true. No one else can shade like you. Color outside the lines, be bold. Paint your story bright and gold. Every mark you leave is true. No one else can shade like you. Color outside the lines, be bold. Paint your story bright and gold. Every mark you leave is true. No one else can shade like you. No one else can shade like you. Shade like you.
eyes so wide, heart unlocked, I step outside. Close your eyes, count to 10. Feel the world come back again. Every breath is not the same. Some bring peace and some bring flame. But when I slow place where I begin, don't just breathe, believe it too, let it carry all of you. Breathe like you mean it, deep and wide. couldn't sleep, my head was loud. Tried to smile beneath the cloud. Stirred my coffee, took a breath. Let it all just gently rest. Even when the light feels far, it's still burning where we are. Sun comes anyway. You'll see, not all bright days need to be shining bold or loud and strong. Sometimes quiet light is long. Street was wet, my shoes got soaked. Still I